Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you convert a solid object into sheet metal inside SolidWorks. So this is really very important for you people to know how can you convert a solid object into sheet metal. Let me understand you people in this video. Let me open a new file, part, and OK. Let me change the background plain white. Now come to sketch, select line, choose a proper plane, make it normal. Now again come to this point, it will automatically convert into arc, and come here, draw such kind of profile. Now come to feature and extruded boss base. Now here select blind, because right now I'm giving it a certain dimension, and give a dimension of 100 and just say OK. Done. And if you want you can edit the part, like let me edit this for now, and let me add a draft of 12 and say OK. Right now let me convert this solid object into sheet metal. For that, what to do, come to sheet metal and just click on convert to sheet metal. Here you have a lot of parameters, but what to do, in sheet metal parameter you have to select the permanent face that you don't want it to be changed. When you select this, so here you can see thickness goes outside. Let me keep it 3. Now you will see, so here you can reverse the thickness direction from here by checking and unchecking this box. So let me keep it inside or outside for now. And remember one thing, if you check on this box, keep body, so your body will not be converted into sheet metal, just the corners will look like that it is converted into sheet metal. So make sure you should not check on this, and you can keep the radius of the curve. Here you will see you can keep that 2 for now, and here edge bends. What to do, we have to collect all the edges. Here this solid object will bends out, and here actually I have defined the bend radius over here, and once I say OK, so you will see I have converted this into sheet metal. Okay, if you have done something wrong, so you can just come here and you can edit your part again, edit, and you can just come here and whatever you want you can just change them over default parameters, and here you can just make it 1 or like 2, and you can just change the thickness. Let me keep it 1, again check OK, and you will see I have changed the thickness of this object. So hopefully you understand how can you convert a solid object into sheet metal. Let me assign some color, select the body, come to appearance, and here again choose body, and here let me choose this color. OK, see how it looks like, really great. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to like and also subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and more projects. Thanks for watching.